Hi everybody, my name is Vic and I wanted to introduce you my new project. This is the 2011 Sprinter van rebuild and the camper van build up. I just got this van recently. It's a former ambulance van with a bad engine. So I am rebuilding the engine right now currently. I've already removed all the ambulance stuff and I have a few ideas that I wanted to implement in this van. Among them are brand new 2014 look, full LED headlights, custom build, and the foldable electric bed. Also solar panels, big sunroof at the end of the van, and custom wrap, I guess. I'm not sure what to do with the outside paint, whether to paint it or not. If you have any comments or any suggestions, any ideas, any advices, will be more than welcome. And I invite everybody to follow up and subscribe to my channel. That'll be really interesting. I'll try to do all my best to make it interesting and useful for everybody who will want in the future to do the same build up. Enjoy. Thank you. So that's the longest Sprinter bumper removal I ever had working on Sprinter vans, because they install those horns that holds to the frame reinforcement. I don't know how they did service in that van. Just can't imagine how it was possible to do. So they installed here an aftermarket small transmission radiator and put the rubber hoses instead of steel ones. Look at the color of the oil. It's like extremely clean. I'll definitely check the oil pan, but it looks really nice.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a...
Really good sign is that I guess previous company owner of the vehicle replaced with a brand new steering rack with the tie rods and with the shaft. And I see the transmission itself is really clean. Like for 200,000 miles, it just looks like brand new. I don't know if they did something, if they replaced it, or I have no idea. I will check definitely by the part numbers. Now the next step, we need to figure out what happened exactly with that engine. As I see that glow plugs, all of the glow plugs are missing, so it's probably that they were maybe checking compression or using the camera to take a look inside. and I see lots of Black Death, signs of the Black Death all over. I removed injectors before, but I definitely see that it's been a trouble over here.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
And looking at the bearings overall on the pistons and the rods, I can tell that sooner or later it's gonna happen. It might happen with a different one. Once the engine block will be clean, checked, and repaired if necessary, I will order a new set of piston rings, bearings, and I will also double check the heads, and we'll try to assemble a new engine from 2 for our project. Well, keep updated. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.